Hi, welcome to Social Research Insights, and this is Kamakshay Musnuru. I am Principal Consultant at Social Research Insights. Social Research Insights is a freelance training outfit. We are specialized in providing training for both the area of data analytics and Internet of Things. Recently, we also added a few portfolios to our training endeavor. They are quality controlling and industrial automation. Okay, the mission of Social Research Insights is to provide open source software, tools and techniques to both academic and corporate research needs. This is in fact one of the video cast of my series of video demonstrations on how to write the programs using Linux shell. So in my previous demonstrations, I explained how to assign values to the variables and print them in the Linux shell. The second demonstration deals with how to perform arithmetic operations. And this video cast I'm going to show you how to use conditional statements. When I mention conditional statement, by default it refers to if statement. So let's start doing or writing the programs. First, let me create a shell script, a file or a text script where I need to write my programs. Let me go to the home directory where I'm writing all these scripts, cd my shell scripts, and let me see I already have some if statement, a script for the if statement, and let me remove that. Oh my god, I got to give my password. Okay, now I removed it. So let me create sudo touch if state. Don't forget to end your file name with .sh format. Okay, that's very important, otherwise Linux will not understand that it is a shell script or bash script while executing the file or compiling the file. Now let's see, if you see this list of files, it's very clear that I don't have the admin privileges to execute the file because the color of the file name is in white color, so that I need to request Linux to give me some super user do or admin privileges to. For that we have a command called sudo change mod. So please be cautious, you should not give dash here, plus x if stat and underscore stat. Now let's go back. You see I got these privileges to execute this file now. So let's go to the file and start writing our code. So for that I open this file in my favorite text editor, which means nano if stat. Now this is the nano editor, a simple yet elegant text editor. So I told you already that we should not forget to put this statement in bash script, that is the bin bash, the discipline that we need to follow in order to write the programs in bash. Now let us think about the strategy to execute our code. So my strategy goes like this. I want the console ask me to input a number, and that number need to be evaluated with the help of an if condition, that if the number is less than 10, then the console or the bash should return me a statement that the number is less than 10, else the number is greater than 10. So later we'll try to mend the code for different needs. First let us put that into the action. Echo So this statement will try to ask me to input a number and accept the number as A. Now evaluate the number whether it is less than 10 and then print. If it is less than 10, if it is true, then print the number is less than 10, else echo that the number is not less than 10. So we don't know whether it is greater than, so let us not bother. So end your if statement with fi. It is not if or end if, something like that. So you should be very cautious. The end of the program must accompanied by a statement fi, not the if or end if or anything else. So now let us go back and check whether echo input a number. So at this part the Linux shell will ask me to input a number, and if I input the number, then that will be taken, saved in a variable called A. Then later the variable is evaluated whether it is less than or not. If it is less than 10, then print me the number is less than 10, else print me the number is not less than 10. So save the program, come back, let me clear my console, and now let me check if I have the user privileges to execute this file. Yes, of course. So no need of sudo, I think. If state sh. Now let me input 3. The number is less than 10. 5. The number is less than 10. 8. I should execute the script before I. 8. The number is less than 10. Now let me give 10. Let me execute the script and this time give 10. The number is not less than 10. Of course it is true, but as I told you at the beginning of my tutorial, let us customize the code that if the number is less than 10 but is equal to 100, then the code should be able to return me a statement that the number is equal to 10, else the number is greater than 10. So there will be 3 conditions here. The first condition is going to be if the number is equal to 10, then the console should return me a statement that the number is equal to 10, else if the number is less than 10, then it should return me a statement that the number is less than 10, else the number is greater than. So we have 3 statements, that conditions that need to be evaluated by the program. Now let us go back and customize our sudo nano if statement. So the first one is okay, if the number, I think I need to change here, equal to 10, then give me a message that the number is equal to 10. Here I should put elif the number is less than 10, then print me a message that the number is less than 10, else the last one, check echo the number is not less than 10. So a simple program, don't worry that. So save, come back. Now let us execute if statement. So let us give 10. Oh, there is a, let us go back and verify our code whether our code is echo read if, then echo elif, I think. So let us put then here, and else let's save. now 10. Yeah, the number is equal to 10. So the mistake is we forgot to put then after elif, so that is the mistake. Now anyway, okay, so my code prints a message, input a number, then if I input any number, then that will be taken into a variable called a. Then that variable is evaluated whether it is, if it is equal to 10, then the console prints me a statement or a message that the number is equal to 10. Else if the number is less than 10, then the message should be the number is less than 10. Else the condition, the third condition is going to be if it is anything other than equal to or less than, then the number is not less than 10. So it is also better if we keep some message the number is not less than 10, neither nor equal to 10, something like that, but that's okay. So save. So let us test our 10. Now the number is equal to 10. Let us put anything less than 10. Number is less than 10. Now let me put, sorry, I should execute the let me put the number is not less than 10. So in fact it is greater than 10. So this way we can just use the if statement to evaluate some set of conditions. In my next video I'm going to show you how to use the loops. So if you like my video, press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the new content. Thank you.